Uh,
train.
you wanna go train today?
Yes.
Are you train station today?
Look at train.
Where are you today, Mucaad? That's a train? Huh? What do you say, your friend? Where you going today? Talk to me. Huh?
I'm going to the bus.
You wanna go to the bus?
Yes.
No, but that's not the bus. That's a train.
No, that is a
Are you wanna go the train?
yes.
Yeah.
Please stand clear of the doors.
What you doing today, Mucaad? Where are you?
I'm a train.
Huh?
I'm a train.
Are you train today? The subway?
Back now. I'm back.
Next station is Kid Station.
What do you say, your friend? Where are you going today? Huh? Are you going to Toronto today?
Yes.
Huh? Tell me, where you going today? Huh? You going to Toronto? Huh? What is that? What is that? What do you say, your friend?
Kid Station. Doors.
You wanna say I love you guys?
I love you guys.
You guys my friend?
Yes.
You wanna show for around city, around to Toronto?
Yes.
Huh?
No.
Toronto? Oh, the train stopped. It's open the door. The door is open.
Please stand clear of the
Oh,
doors.
it's closed again. Vroom. That's funny? What is so funny? Eh? What is funny? Tell me, what's funny? How the door?
Union
That
Station.
is funny feet.
How to open the door? Ooh. Oh, man. Okay, let's go then. We go here. We wanna go to the Union Station. Take your bag. Take you back. Let's go. Carry you back. Not like that. Not like that. You have to carry your bag. Yeah. Okay. We go here. You have to wait until the door is open. Okay? Huh?
Arriving at Union
The door is
Station.
closed, right?
Doors will open on the left.
Okay. The door is closed. You say on the left. The left side is open here. Not here. Not anymore. This is the right. It's gonna be open here. This one is gonna open. This way is gonna open. Whoom. Open. Come on. Whoom. Come on, lad. Wow. You like it? Huh? You like it? You like the train? Go here. Follow the people. Go there. Go upstairs. Go up. Run, Mucaad. Yeah. This is Union Station,
Yes. What
but it's
is-
closed.
But it's not. Oh,
I see it's closed.
no.
You see the all the offices closed. Look here. All the offices closed. You see that board is off now. It's not even on. Everywhere is closed, Mucaad.
No.
Yeah, it's closed. We're going out now.
Look, it's open. It's open.
Mucaad, where are you?
I saw you that one. Yeah.
You wanna do the videos?
Yes.
Where are you? Oh, you are in Toronto? Whoa! This is a beautiful city. Guys, welcome to Toronto. Mucaad! Come on, Mucaad. Mucaad, Firi. Look here. Look, Mucaad. Look here. Huh? What is that? Huh? What is that? Okay. Take Mucaad, Mucaad. Mucaad. Take this one. This one. Yeah.
That is heavy.
Huh?
That's heavy.
Put your hand. Give. Pass. Oh. Come on, Mucaad. Run. Come on, Mucaad. Come on. What happened? Huh? This one? We are in Toronto today. Yes. No. Don't go. Mucaad, what you doing? Mucaad. Come on, Mucaad. Come on. This is the train.